Driving in winter requires extra safety, and the right gear can make all the difference. The top 5 best snow chains in this year provide reliable grip on icy and snowy roads, ensuring smoother handling, maximum stability, and peace of mind during challenging conditions. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. SCITOO Snow Chain. The SCITOO Snow Chain is an excellent option for drivers who want reliable safety and performance when navigating harsh winter conditions. Crafted from thick alloy manganese steel, this snow chain is built to withstand demanding environments like snow, ice, mud, and sand. Its strong material provides superior traction and grip, ensuring that drivers can maintain stability and control even on slippery surfaces. One of its most impressive features is the 1-minute quick-fit installation system, which allows drivers to set it up without moving the vehicle, making it extremely convenient for emergency situations. Additionally, the easy self-tightening ratchets and automatic tightening device provide consistent tension, so the chains remain secure while driving. Emergency braking performance is another strong point of the SCITOO chains, thanks to their mechanical tensioners that ensure excellent anti-slip performance, ice braking capability, and road grip. These chains are versatile, fitting a wide range of vehicles including cars, pickups, SUVs, light trucks, and even semi-trucks, with compatibility for tire widths ranging from 225mm to 295mm. The manufacturer does note a speed limit of 40 km per hour, which is typical for snow chains and ensures both safety and chain durability. Overall, the SCITOO Snow Chain is a great choice for those who need a heavy-duty traction device that is easy to install, provides excellent emergency performance, and offers wide compatibility. Its combination of strength, durability, and user-friendly features makes it a practical investment for anyone who frequently drives in snowy or icy conditions. Number 2. AUVEBY Snow Chain. The AUVEBY Snow Chain stands out as a rugged and dependable choice for drivers of pickup trucks and off-road SUVs who require top-tier performance in extreme winter conditions. Built specifically for larger vehicles and challenging terrains, these snow chains are crafted from thick alloy manganese steel with a chain diameter of 4.5mm and a tread height of 16mm. This robust build provides unmatched traction and grip on snow, ice, mud, and sand, ensuring drivers feel secure and confident no matter the weather. A standout feature is its effortless 1-minute installation system, which allows the chains to be attached without moving the vehicle. The auto-fixing device is especially convenient, eliminating the need for rubber tighteners or stopping to retighten after setup. This makes the AUVEBY chains both efficient and user-friendly, perfect for drivers who value convenience alongside durability. After use, these chains are easy to clean. Simply rinse with water and leave them to dry in the sun. The product also includes a storage box, making it easy to pack away neatly in the vehicle until the next trip. Designed to withstand heavy-duty usage, these snow chains are specially suited for drivers who regularly venture into remote areas or tackle rugged off-road routes in snowy weather. Their durability ensures long-term value, while the easy storage system adds a layer of practicality. For off-road enthusiasts and truck owners who want reliable traction devices, the AUVEBY Snow Chain is a smart investment that blends strength, convenience, and safety in one product. Number 3. KYX Snow Chain. The KYX Snow Chain takes a unique approach to winter traction with its snow sock design, offering a smart alternative to traditional metal tire chains. These snow socks are designed to deliver better traction, improved steering, and enhanced braking performance in snowy or icy conditions, making them an excellent choice for long-distance winter travel. They are legally accepted as tire traction devices and are certified under EN 16662-1 with approval as alternate traction devices, ATD, by the Colorado Department of Transportation. This certification ensures that they meet strict safety and performance standards. The KYX chains are versatile, suitable for cars, SUVs, trucks, vans, and 4x4 vehicles, whether front wheel, rear wheel, or all-wheel drive. A major benefit is their quick and easy 5-minute assembly, which requires no complicated tools. The package includes a pair of snow socks, gloves, a zippered storage bag, and a wet carrying bag, ensuring convenience during winter emergencies. Unlike traditional chains, these snow socks are safe for vehicle systems such as ABS, ESC, ASR, and TCS. They are also quiet in operation, causing no vibrations, rust, or mess, and are designed to protect both tires and rims. In terms of usability, they are washable, reusable, lightweight, and compact, making them easy to store and environmentally friendly. For drivers heading to mountains, ski resorts, or regions with heavy snowfall, the KYX Snow Chain offers a reliable and modern solution. It is especially useful for those who want safety and performance without the hassle of traditional chains. Number 4. SCC Snow Chain. The SCC Snow Chain is a classic and reliable option for drivers seeking maximum safety during harsh winter driving conditions. Known for its durability and superior performance, this snow chain features manganese alloy crossmembers that deliver excellent traction on snow and ice while offering greater longevity compared to conventional traction products. The strong build ensures that the chains maintain grip even in challenging weather, reducing the chances of slipping or skidding on icy roads. Installation is straightforward, with a fast and secure system that does not require moving the vehicle. This feature is particularly important in emergency situations where time and convenience matter most. Compatibility is another area where the SCC Snow Chain excels. It is designed to work seamlessly with modern vehicle systems, including anti-lock brakes, traction control, and all-wheel drive, as well as other electronically monitored control systems. Drivers do not need to worry about the chains interfering with advanced vehicle safety technologies. Additionally, the SCC chains meet SE Class S clearance requirements, making them suitable for vehicles with limited clearance around the wheel wells. This versatility ensures that a wide range of drivers can rely on SCC chains without concerns about fit or safety. Overall, the SCC Snow Chain delivers reliable performance, durable construction, and safe compatibility with modern vehicles. Number 5. KYX Snow Chain. The KYX Snow Chain is a well-designed and practical traction device that prioritizes safety, durability, and convenience for winter driving. Made from high-strength alloy steel, these chains are built to handle tough conditions and resist wear even with frequent use. Their unique design ensures enhanced grip on icy and snowy roads, providing drivers with a stable and secure driving experience. The improved traction significantly reduces the risk of slipping, making it easier to maneuver and stop safely on winter roads. Another highlight of the KYX chains is their quick installation process. They can be set up in just 15 minutes without the need for specialized tools, making them a reliable choice for emergency situations when drivers need fast solutions. This ease of installation is especially beneficial for those who may not have prior experience with snow chains. To further enhance convenience, the KYX Snow Chain comes with a durable storage bag, making it portable and easy to store when not in use. The compact design ensures that drivers can always keep the chains in their vehicles, ready for sudden snowstorms or icy road conditions. While they are best suited for cars and SUVs, their sturdy build ensures dependable performance across a variety of winter scenarios. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.